And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. What I have here is something very much interesting again. So, what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Superman Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard. Oh, I thought I was about to spoil the name, but I didn't. So, we will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see how it is. And remember when I tried Burger King's new How to Train Your Dragon meal? Dairy Queen is actually promoting the new Superman movie. If you Let me show you guys. So when you look on this, you can literally see the Superman logo, and if I turn it around, you can see Superman literally right there, which is bussin'. So they have a Superman cake batter cookie. Those I'm gonna try it and see how it is, and it's actually blue because Superman's suit is like red and blue, and I think somewhat yellow, and this thing is like blue with some things inside of it. So we're gonna try it and see just how it is. Superman cake batter cookie dough. The last time I had something pertaining to like Superman promotions, like way, way, way back in the day. I think I was like under 12 or under 11, where they had a Superman soda, Superman pop, and it was actually blue. I literally still remember it. I think that one was probably like a promotion ever since then. Never had it again. Here we go. Superman cake batter cookie dough. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. They have like some. It's not sprinkles, but they have like some little stuff inside of it. Mm. Bro, it literally amazes me just when places do collaboration with movies and they promote like stuff pertaining to the movie. Bussin'. So they came out, I think just now. I was looking at it. I think it's like I'm still guessing again. It's like I think it's six Blizzard. That's like their summer menu, and three is like saying it's back, and three is literally like brand new because I've done one already. I think it's like uh strawberry something. Did that already. This one, and they have another one, and they have three more, and it's saying it's back. But those ones that is saying it's back, I did it already. So I'm probably not gonna waste my time to do it again. But these new ones, bussin'. Mm, nice. Mm, bro, and fun fact, remember that movie Minecraft? I don't know if you guys know about it. There's a movie couple like months ago, a while back. Minecraft. I think I see or I saw because it's gone already. I saw Frosted Flakes. That's flavored like Minecraft flavored. If I ever come across that again, I'm getting that and trying it to see how it is. Mm. I give this a 7.5 out of 10, hands down. It's extremely delicious. And the best thing is, it's actually different, bro. That's what I like. I like when things are like extremely different, because like different in a good way. Because like sometimes places just put like different things together and call it something new, but this tastes literally different. Awesome. And I think once that Superman movie comes out, I'm probably not say probably, I will go see it. But it's crazy because like How to Train Your Dragon, it's not out yet at this moment, but it's about to. It's coming out soon. And the Superman, it's not out yet, but it's coming soon. And Dairy Queen is promoting the Superman, and Burger King is promoting How to Train Your Dragon. It is crazy, bro. You know, anytime I see like places coming out with like places doing collaboration with movies, it always reminds me. Ooh, excuse me. Oof. It always reminds me when Carl's Jr. came out with the Godzilla burger and the Kong chicken sandwich, which is amazing because that's how you keep business sales increasing. You know, if there's a new movie coming out or there's something going on or some seasonal thing going on, you have the promotion. And it's the same like when Halloween is approaching, everywhere have their pumpkin spice this, pumpkin spice that. It's the same thing. And when Christmas is coming, everybody have peppermint drink, candy cane drink. It's crazy. But that's how you keep people interesting, because you gotta live in the moment, and you gotta let people try things within the moment. Because like if everybody's getting excited for summer, they want to have like summer drinks. Because if everybody's getting excited for say Halloween, then you want to have Halloween things, spooky drinks. If everybody's getting ready for like Valentine's Day, you want to have your what's it called, red velvet cake or the red velvet blizzard or shake or anything. Bro, you gotta stay competitive and you gotta stay up there. But it always amazes me when as soon as the season change, then it's like a lot of places be rotating things all of a sudden. It's not like it's not time for it's not like what's it called? Because I don't think Tim Hortons do frozen beverages in winter. I'm not sure. Because I've never seen them come out with a new frozen quencher. It's always in the summer. In the winter, they do have the quenchers, but it's not frozen. So the frozen one is like their summer beverages. But this was definitely worth a shot in my book. I leave this. I'm gonna go put it in the deep fridge right now, and then later when I'm relaxing, I'll destroy this. But definitely worth a try, bro. You see, I have no problem trying things. I have no problem, like the only thing, like the only problem I have with trying things is like if it's like breakfast and they stop selling breakfast at like 10:30 or 11, it's like, oh, I gotta drag myself out of bed. But like during the day, like now, I have no problem trying none of these things. Superman. Make sure you go see that. Even on the cup it says Superman only in theaters summer 2025. So it is going to be like when I saw that movie, the Superman movie advertising, I was like, it's nice. I'm gonna go see it. I'm not even like a huge fan of Superman, but I will go see that new movie. Because fun fact, I never went to go see the is it Batman versus Superman or Superman versus Batman? I don't even know how they word it. I've never seen it. I think once it came out, I think it was on Netflix or somewhere. And that movie was like 2 hour, almost 3 hour long, and I sit down and I took the time out to watch it. But I don't know, I've never been like a Superman fan. But I will go see this one. So try it before it's gone. I think it's their summer promotion, or well, this I think it's like a summer promotion. Well, like try it and let me know what you think about it, and yeah, just let me know. I'm always looking at the comments. So there, you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more things. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.